Cartel.
Ano na rin?
No way. So satisfying.
Tama ba? Hindi ba dapat yan?
Okay, now we open the downy part. Now for the final reveal. Now let's check what's inside. Woohoo! Yippee!
Hindi na daw ito maglalagay sa bakal.
FC24. FC24.
Tay, tay. Tapos yung babae, lagyan mo ng choco brown.
FC24. So look,
Jibit nga kami.
this is the FC24.
Inay, sabihin mo kay Risa. Marunong ka mag-jibit lang. Paano ka natawag kay Risa?
Okay, let's get it out. Let's get it out from the disc. Okay, let's remove it. I saw FIFA 19 there as well.
Parang base.
Did it
Parang
out?
base yan na.
Get out! Get out!
Ganyan.
How do you open it? Open! Open! Oh,
Risa.
this is the disc.
Lens. Don't touch the lens. You know, when you're touching a CD, you have to touch it here.
Oh,
Don't, see? So right there,
Diyan na si Risa.
whenever there's a marking, it will not play. You know that? It will scratch. See? Now it's difficult to remove. Oil.
so it says, play the world's game on mobile.
Yan, pakita mo lang ganyan.
Je, nabasa mo message ko?
Happy.